Well, I guess that's just a random house. Now to fill some needs. Is that what we want? And showing that 10 Febraury Square is already getting refurbished. This is how you give this random lift tour a fresh start. Well, we're back out to film those flat buildings that some of them you might remember from last time. So in Valencia, Roberto Bar again, but Jerónima Galés Street again as well, also, but this time just a slightly different route. And it's random lift tour time. Now we were walking through Jerónima Galés Street. Let's see what will it be the first lift. Yep. It looks like they did. Yes. Well, I said it looks like they did. Also, it looks like we're gonna do the same thing that we did last random lift tour, but slightly. It is gonna be slightly different than the last one. At least I won't enter that horrible, smelly flat building like I did last time. And when I decided to do this, my dad just got a bit mad about it. And like when I saw him early, he said like, "You're too old to go for walking streets in Valencia." Well, who gives a fuck? At least you do. At least not just the family, but also you walk your borough street with your friends. And sometimes, if you want to spend money on. If you want to spend money on something unnecessary like jelly, like snacks or something, it is like that did not even make any sense. It's 54 First May Avenue. Looks like these ones right here. Now these exactly same types of flat buildings were built for 4 years between 1994 and 1998. So the one I'm standing right now it was built in 1994. And now back to Jerónima Galés Street. We do this for the second fucking time. Now I barely understand my grammar. You know that. Now we have about 2 flat buildings in here that were built in the 70s. Some right there were built in the 80s, but most of them in the 70s. I'm not going back to this one because I filmed it last time I was here, so maybe I'll try a different one.
Sigur, azi nu prea am văzut și ce în țară.
Hai.
Nu mă refer că ce și ce...
Nu zice că este începută și e la
This is almost the same lift as in 61, but barely this one doesn't run the best in my opinion. Because when it's a regular floor, just specify floor, does really hard stops. I really don't like hard stops to be honest. What did you just step on? Just be careful. Okay. So that's right.
¿Y tú cuánto has pagado?
Pero
The first lift to be shown in this video is the lift at 53 Jerónima Galés Street. The lift here used to be an old Arabic swing dolly. It is now being replaced by temple lifts. It is now being replaced by Ascensores del Turia, which is another Spanish lift company. Imagine if this was replaced with Temple Lifts Limited with Dewhurst and Leicester with Dewhurst buttons and newer Leicester controls. But the ground floor doors will be two speed doors, and the floors on the rest of the floors will be 3-speed, just like how the previous lift used to have on its inner doors 3-speed doors. Anyways, I'm gonna show the lift how it looks like today. 53 Jerónima Galés Street. I remember riding there. Yeah. Second floor. It's now being replaced. No, hay segundo. This lobby is extremely posh. Okay. The screen is fucked. So I guess I'll look at the buttons instead. Shanghai step. Yo. Hasta luego, buenas tardes.
Hello everybody! My name is Eli! And I'm gonna fucking scream! Wow! 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 Why? You fucking bitch! I'll eat you alive, you nasty cunt! I fucking hate you! Woo! You raped my mom!
And now, I'm gonna show how the lift used to look like before.
Here is coming to the lift in the building 53. There's an old damn lift. There's a screen door with business grass. Or noisy. And then here it is. Up. Go to the top floor. Dit. That's the van. With the dit. This is cool. Maybe unnoisy. Isn't it? When I pass it, the minute. They were in the second floor. Ground. This is Pasababa and the other side. You didn't? What happened? People? Here we are in the ground floor. That's it.
What?
Que no llevo la petillera mía. Sí que la llevo aquí. Sí. Nada más que había sacado.
Oh, okay.
Como dice que te lleva entre ellos aquí. Y no me echa la vista, pues no es y dice...
The car park. Oh, right here, the largest flat building. This one is really large.
Pero aquí te pones un chico. Camisito, ¿eh?
Now this is like how I did last time. Garage. It's a ground floor, not basement.
¿Y los amigos?
Professor Bob, I once bumped right there with my primary school music teacher. And even after I left primary school back 4 years ago, he passed away. I agree. These look nice. Now the only thing is that you need a lot the bulb. Well, and how, like I said last time, I'm not gonna whine about if I film less lives this time. I'm not gonna whine about it because I'm not that type of person anymore.
Como cante línea al de al lado.
He's one of these two wings. He's one of these two wings, flabby wings.
Vale, ya te llamo.
He's one of these modern two-wing flags. Doesn't look really modern because according to Idealista it was built in 1999.
Bajate pachilla así.
Bueno, mi hija ya se habían cambiado porque el grupo de abuelos no.
Good job. I missed the plane, god damn it. And now, as early as you saw that flat building, I've finally managed to get into them. And now to my list in there. First to the ones in the A wing. Right. I'll be right back. It's gonna last long. And now, we get to ride the lives in here. And as like I told, they were built in 1999. Let's first ride this one. Oh, this one is in use. Right. Screw it. Well, it looks like this one is a locust panel. A locust panel, I mean to say. God. now to that single lift in B wing. Well, looks like I'll try filming in here in B wing. Damn, this game has no outside indicator. In any floor. Oh, I can see myself. Shit. This is the same car as the last two ones. Like A wing has two lifts and B wing just has a single lift. And only has 2 flats per floor. Yep. Now here we are back at this square that they had house development for 22 years. Now we're back at it. And as like specified in my last video, this square has had house development for 22 years, between 1972 and 1994. The ones right there were completed in the early 80s, in 1982.
¿Qué pasa aquí? Ellos me ven su vuelta cara, mamá un par de veces en Coñitico de año. Ah, ¿qué me allá va? ¿Qué pasa aquí?
I know.
Aquí mira la tía, mira esa mesa. Que es parecida a la que yo tengo. Esa mesa, la que yo tengo pequeñita.
Yes.
Le costaba mi casa, la tenían que llevar y le pedían dinero por llevársela y todo.
Uf. Pues la suya está muy picada.
Cruzamos por aquí.
Yes.
Y vamos por ahí para allá.
Yes. Let's change a bit. Let's change a bit more in the route. The central square itself looks like we got this. Yes. Looks like we meet. Those flat buildings in Escoto Virginia Square, the 80s ones that were completed in 1982, and now into 18 Escoto Virginia Square and into Bellissimo, which are some nice 80s Cabanellas. Nice, good thing that these are still original today. Yes. But sadly, the buttons inside have been replaced. The only original stuff in these days is the rest, including the cool buttons
Now
themselves.
it looks like we got an 80s Febraury film. Right left is on use, so we'll take the left one. Basement, which is locked. Ah, never mind. It's fucking unlocked for some odd reason. Oh, looks like we got off here. This lift is literally the same as the last one. Yo. Oh, get the bike. Oh, it probably is the one right hand side.
Do you honestly think that a random lift tour can end up like this? Can conclude like this? No. Because we need more random moments. Oh, this one is really bright. Yes.
¿Te acuerdas cuando veníamos a la Aurora?
Of course. Now straight the street. Now just follow me. Alright. Since my grandma doesn't really understand English. Right. And I really don't want to fill up my cameras, my SD card storage room that is plugged inside the camera. One moment, please. Now, I guess we should go back to Jerónima Galés Street, 61 to 71. And then... Nope! Maybe the same tour as the last one. Oh well. El barco entra.
Sí, pero se sigue llamando cuenta.
Sí.
Vamos, que pone que todo hay carne de costo.
Low. I wouldn't say that. Don't think stupid shit like that. Like, I don't think that bar has took pictures every single Sunday. Ah, yeah, I remember that. Now this time it is mostly the same, but something changes a bit. Hey, they're letting us. Right. I really live back in 67 Jerónima Galés Street, but they managed to take a video of it. Unfortunately. All right. I know. Now we have to cross the road. Yes, it is the street. It's no, just follow me. See him in. Right, so no calls from my dad. Good thing. He probably didn't notice that we have left the house for an hour. Low.
Ay, mano, va. Pero que te iba a dar un petardo.
Right, it is the... I might even search on the internet later on who Paco Sanz really is. He's probably a famous person, so that's why this street has been named like that. And speaking of which, this is Valencia's shortest street to ever be known.
Ahorita entonces,
Ay, you know, yeah.
todo esto lo tenía grabado de antes.
Past, of course. Yeah, I know. Getting night.
Mira dónde está alquilado uno.
I know you told me that last time. Right. Febraury Square again. This is like from where we started. Hey.
A ver, la nieta bien, ya tiene dos, ¿no? La nieta.
Dos, la nena 4 años y el nene 2.
Madre mía, ¿cómo pasa el tiempo? Hasta luego.
Looks like this random lift tour is becoming an end. But before that, we got a random moment to show. Now I'm going to finish what's remaining in my water bottle.
Mira, esta
Let's see what time it is. 8:30 p.m. And looks like we have already made it home.
la tuya de abril.
20, 20, 30. Yes.
Lleva tú, yo ábrele.
Oh, damn it. Here's the platform lift. Which replaced a really steep ramp. At least I got a great camera. That is me. I help with my channel videos a lot.
I'm not gonna lie. It's a massive improvement to my YouTube channel. Let's go now. Alright, so looks like we're already back home. Looks like this lift is already coming down. I wonder which one comes down first. Oh, there. This one. Yeah. Oh, both.
Mario, no?
Looks like it was him.
¿Era Mario?
Probably.
¿Eso qué?
Ouch.
Era Mario.
Yes, the hand was from here. Alright, so now to conclude this random lift tour, watch this lift go. And now here we end this random lift tour. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.